Hello, let me welcome you warmly. Today I've got very nice LS2 jet helmets which I'd like to show to you, and one is white, the other one is military green. By the way, I'm pretty sure you can see this nice blouse, the nice hoodie, and this is from our channel. This is our channel merch. So if you'd like to get such a nice high quality hoodie, you can get it on our channel, guys. So let's take a look, guys. Let's unpack him. So this helmet is pretty cool. You can see there is no roof on top of here. The other one's got the roof, the white one, so I'm gonna show you the difference. Now, this is how it looks. And the good news is you also have the visor included, the dark one, the tinted one. And this is pretty light. It's quite comfy to be put on, and it's 1.3 kilograms, so looks quite cool. I want to try it on when riding. All right, let's try the other one now. Ładny te kaski, chodź zobacz. So that's the second helmet, and you can see it's got this adventure type of touring roof on, the sun shield, and in fact it's virtually identical when it comes to the feel. Obviously it looks very different. So this small sun roof adds up to 50 grams of weight, so I must say overall it's a very nice helmet. Can't wait to actually test it out. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. So how to detach them and make them open helmets: you just press the lever down here, and the same on this side, and you can remove this piece basically like that, as easy as that. But I must say I prefer riding with the full jaw on always. First of all, you don't get to use the buffs which you need to have, especially when riding in warmer days, because the flies are bothering, or other insects keep on hitting your face, and like that it's, well, it looks much better, way better. So you just click it on and that's it. All right,